Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel JMPVS Teachings. Today in this class I will be teaching about number system. So without wasting time, let's get started. Number system is a very interesting as well as easy topic in maths. So let's get started. Number system is of two types, real numbers and imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers are those numbers which cannot be defined, such as root of -2. It can be simplified at a basic level, but in advanced level we can simplify it by iota. Not going into deeper, let's move to real numbers. Real numbers are those numbers which can be defined. All numbers other than imaginary numbers are real numbers. So real numbers are of two types, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be represented in p by q form, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. So irrational numbers are denoted by the letter t. Moving on to the next is rational number. Rational number are those numbers which can be defined in p by q form, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. Rational numbers are denoted by the letter q. So rational numbers are of four types: natural numbers, whole numbers, fractions and integers. Natural numbers are those numbers which are starting from 1 and going till infinity. Natural numbers are represented by the letter n. Next is whole number. Whole number are those numbers starting from 0 and going till infinity. Whole numbers are represented by the letter W. Fraction. Fraction are those rational numbers which can be represented in p by q form. And last one is integer. Integer comprises of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. So now I will be telling about how to find rational numbers between two numbers. So let a and b are two numbers which are given in the question, and n is the number of digits that we have to find between a and b. So the formula for that is a n plus 1 whole upon n plus 1, comma b into n plus 1 whole upon n plus 1. So the numbers between the result of this and this would be the n numbers that we have to find in that question. Let's solve some examples. So first question is, find four numbers between 9 and 10. So here a equals to 9 and b equals to 10 and n equals to 4, because the number we have to find is 4. So the formula is a n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and b n plus 1 upon n plus 1. If we solve these both and put values in them, so we will get 9 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 and 10 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1. So here we get 9 into 5 upon 5 and 10 into 5 upon 5. So here we get 45 upon 5 and 50 upon 5. So the numbers between them would be 46 upon 5, 47 upon 5, 48 upon 5 and 49 upon 5. So these are the four numbers that we want. Now we are starting number line, representing irrational numbers on number line. You in earlier classes you may have studied how to represent numbers on number line. So now we will represent irrational number on number line. So let's do it with an example. So we will use Pythagoras theorem here. So root 2, because it would be hypotenuse, that's why it would be root 2 here, is equal to x square plus 1 square. why I have taken 1, I suggest you should take 1 only, because it makes easy to calculate. Okay, so it becomes 2 is equal to x square plus 1. So 1 is equal to x square and x is equal to 1. So when we make a triangle of 1 by 1, then the hypotenuse will be root 2, and through compass, when we um, adjust the radius to A to B, then we will can represent root 2. The distance from here to here would be root 2. So these are some questions I am giving to you so that you can practice at home. So when you find the answer, you can write it in the comment section below. Till then, signing off, Vatsagar.